Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and it's me Neha Bhardwaj and I know it's been too long since I have not posted any video on YouTube. It's been like almost 6 months I guess. So many things were going on in my life and I was feeling so demotivated because I was dealing with a lot of health issues. Now I'm on track, things are on track and I'm doing great in my life. I am still on medication, I'm still getting better. So today I have planned to make a YouTube video, get ready with me video. It's my friend's birthday, one of my friend's birthday. So we are going out for dinner. So what can be better than this? So today I'm doing my signature smoky eye along with very dewy base. So let's see how it's going to turn out. So let's start with the video. So for the foundation, I'm using this Maybelline Ka Lumi Matte Foundation in the shade 228, which is clearly not my shade. So by mistakenly I have ordered this and this is my first tube. I really like the foundation, the texture, but I am not very big fan of the shade because of course this is not my shade. So I have used my 100% brain and I have ordered a lighter concealer so that मैं थोड़ा सा balance out कर पाऊँ. उसके बाद जाके मेरा base अच्छा हो जाता है. So let's start with the foundation first. What do you want? What do you want? Also let's meet Tara, you guys, my baby. Say hi, say hi. See how nicely it blends and look at the shine. This foundation is really very good. I really like the texture. So foundation is done. For the concealer I have two options. One is K Beauty. I really like this, but this gives a very natural finish. In daylight you can use this. This is really very good. And the second one is L'Oreal Infallible, which is everybody's favorite and my favorite too. Also touchwood, I doesn't have a lot of dark circles, so I am blessed here. So I'll just take dot. How easy it is to blend. See, very easy, very busy, and it's done. You should always match your skin to your neck, otherwise it looks very bad. Now I'm taking this banana powder and I have been using this banana powder since last, I don't know for how many years, like maybe 3 or 4 years, and it's really good. Also I have tried K Beauty loose powder and I liked it, but this one really gives me satisfaction, so I use this. I'll just dab it on my beauty blender and I'll just place it under my eyes. Just leave it for like 2 or 3 minutes for baking so that it can set my under eye. And let's do my eyebrows. So for my eyebrows, I'm using this brow pencil from Swiss Beauty. And Swiss Beauty has really good products, I must say. I think my eyebrows are done. So for the eye makeup, we are using this palette. And also we have this palette. So we are merging both of them. So from this palette, I'll take the lightest brown. मेरा कुछ ऐसे systematic नहीं है बहुत ज़्यादा makeup routine. It just whatever I like, I just randomly do that, and I think it looks good on me, so I just do it. So base eyeshadow is done, and now we are going to take the black eyeshadow from the same palette. We'll take this flat brush, and we'll take the black eyeshadow. So we'll just place it like a little bit of it in here. Now we'll take the same brown eyeshadow जिसे हमने बेस क्रिएट किया था and we'll start merging it. So I have finally decided to take the blue glitter. I think it's looking good. Now I'll take the same shade and I'll apply it in here. So now I'm using the kajal, so I'm not at all a kajal person, but I'm feeling like doing it today. So let's try it. I think it's looking good. See. And it's done now. So now we will remove the excess. I'll do the bronzing, which I'm very good at actually. Take the brown shade and I'll just place it in here. So can you see the snatched cheekbone over here? And here it's not there. Now it's time to do my favorite part, which is blush, of course. So I'm a blush paglu. I use a lot of blush on my face because I love that. For the blush, I'm using the Swiss Beauties. So Swiss Beauty ka blush is hats off to them. इतना अच्छा blush है ये. I've been using this since years now and I'm not going back. And this is my go-to blush. I love it. And the She Glam blush, which I have been using. This is my first one and I'm quite impressed with the applicator. Also the product, the formula, the pigmentation is so good. As you can see, I have already finished it. I think I have to just too much. Bas itna blush and you will see the magic. So I'll take the brush and I think it's too much. It's done. Finally so it's very easy to blend actually. As you can see, I have applied a lot of blushes. So now I'm going to balance it with the setting powder. Now we are going to apply mascara. For the mascara, I have 3 options. So currently my mood is for Forever 22 ka, waterproof mascara. Before the mascara, I have to curl my lashes. So I'm going to apply the mascara. So now we are going to apply mascara. For the mascara, I have 3 options. So currently my mood is for Forever 22 ka, waterproof mascara. Before the mascara, I have to curl my lashes. So I'm going to apply mascara. For the mascara, I have 3 options. So currently my mood is for Forever 22 ka, waterproof mascara. Before the mascara, I have to curl my lashes. So usually I don't wear waterproof mascara because I think it's not good for your lashes also, because lashes बहुत ज़्यादा टूटती हैं and I have like very long lashes, so I really don't want to ruin my lashes because of this thing. So I use Lakme Iconic mascara on daily basis because it's really good. It gives me the volume I want on everyday basis. But if I'm going out or I want my makeup to last long, so I use waterproof mascara. I use Sky High. This is one of my favorite mascara. Okay, eye makeup is completely done. For the highlighter, I have like these two options. First, it is a random highlighter which I have bought from Thailand, and the second one is of course my favorite one, Anastasia. So I really want to try this one. I want to see how it's going to look on my skin. Wow, I was not expecting this from this highlighter. You see the highlighter? I am really loving the highlighter already, and I don't know what brand it is. You can see that. Yeah, I love this one. Now it's time to use lipsticks. So for the lip contouring and lip lining, I'm using this very famous viral lip liner, which is very good actually. For the lipstick, I'm using the Huda Beauty lipstick, and this lip combination is my current favorite lip combination. Let us see what she's doing. So now on top of it, I will definitely use gloss and see. It really changes a lot when you apply a good gloss. Alright, so makeup is done. Now I'm going to change.
You feel right? Let's say heartbreak gone. Now she's so strong. Now she on a higher level, you gotta be on. This is her show, now you gotta perform. If you don't like it, then you better be gone in the morning. She won't roll over, all she got is her.